Welcome to Master Chinese Writing Channel. Stroke order made easy.
Hi, welcome back. Today's character is
上
the symbol of up and direction. Let's learn.
Section 1. Stroke order, meaning and usage.
上
3 strokes to define up.
竖横横上
Means up or above, or previous. It can also indicate location, on, or action to attend. Use it in words like
上面
above on top or
上课
attend class. Now that you know how to write,
上
let's learn some useful words and phrases.
Section 2. Common words and phrases.
Common words and phrases.
上车
Get into a vehicle.
上个月
Last month.
上学
Go to school.
Section 3. Example sentences.
Example sentences.
书在桌子上
The book is on the table.
请上楼等我
Please go upstairs and wait for me.
Section 4. Fun fact.
Did you know? The character
上
was once just 2 horizontal lines. The shorter one above meant up. Over time, the vertical stroke was added for clarity.
Section 5. Interactive challenge.
Now it's your turn. Quiz. What does 上课 mean in English? Comment below. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Chinese lessons. Comment below which Chinese character you want to learn. See you on next video for another character. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.